Hello everyone, this is Waleed. I am the creator of Insect newsletter, and this newsletter aims to connect open source creators and open source tools with founders, other innovators, other developers, and end users, and make it easy to bridge the gap between them. So right now I'm on ScholArxiv's GitHub repository, and what this tool does is it makes it easy to read academic research papers, to listen to them, to interact with them. You can interact with it using AI powered chat, and you can use this chat for normal use as well, like you normally do with ChatGPT and Google Gemini, etc. To just read and listen, you don't need API key. But if you want to actually utilize AI powered functionalities like AI powered chat, that will be contextually aware of the paper, and you can ask anything about that paper, who wrote the paper, and etc. And you can also use the AI, the chat functionality for your other uses, like you normally do with ChatGPT and other stuff. So you don't need to quit the application and go to the ChatGPT and search other things. You can use it right in this application. So these are some features that you can do. You can use the AI chat. You can read the papers. You can bookmark them. You can view the summaries and listen to them and search the paper. And you can use one of the three themes that are provided in this application. So I just wanted to show you how to download it. For more detailed video, I have uploaded it on LinkedIn, and that video contains the demo provided by Mr. Dagmawi says. He's the creator, and he will tell you how effectively and more powerfully you can use this application. So let's go to the download now button. Once I click it, you will see it downloading and download. So once this application is downloaded, you just have to tap it, and you just have to permit that you allow this application to move forward. You just install it, and there you go. You just open it and start using it. So once you are in the application, you can use it however you like. You can search it, you can see the bookmarks, you can choose different themes, and you can use AI powered chat, but you do need Google Gemini API's key. So other features include you can use the summary, you can make it bigger, and you can listen to it. And you can download it, share it, and use contextually aware chat application. So this is how powerful it is. And I hope you like this video and share it with others. Also, do not forget to subscribe my newsletter that is called Insect newsletter. So thank you very much.